Advanced English Vocabulary, brought to you by Idioms Online. Maim. Maim. To maim someone means to injure them so badly that they are permanently deprived of the use of part of their body, especially to cause permanent bodily harm by causing the loss of a limb or other part of the body. To cripple, mutilate, disfigure, or seriously wound. Also, to impair something in such a way that it becomes imperfect or defective. This meaning is uncommon. Examples of how to use maim in a sentence. He was maimed in a car accident and lost his left arm, but still continued to play the drums with the band. 3 people have been maimed this year by the faulty equipment in the factory. Even decades after the war ended, left-behind mines continue to maim civilians. My uncle was maimed in a car accident when he was young, but some people don't even realize he's missing a leg.